How to fix Instagram chat team option not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the Instagram. Now on this page, this is the app informations. Click on permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions right here. After that, go back, click on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and go back to the home page. Now all what you want to do is update your Instagram in the Play Store. After you update it, the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have to remove Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.